Welcome to all. I hope all of you are well and safe. Today I want to discuss about chapter 10, acid base salt. Last class I discussed about acid base. So what is acid? The substance that have substitutable hydrogen and produce hydrogen ion in aqueous solution is called acid. That means suppose a cell, it has substitutable hydrogen atom and produce H plus ion in aqueous solution and form salt with metal. That is why this compound is an acid. And the general formula: acid is equal to hydrogen plus halogen, or acid is equal to hydrogen plus radical, except phosphonium, ammonium hydroxide radical. So this is the general formula of acid. Next we discussed base. Metallic oxide or hydroxide is called base. That means base metal plus oxygen or metal plus hydroxyl radical. This is base. So metallic oxide or hydroxide is called base, and the bases that are dissolved in water is called alkali. So here is a question: all alkalis are base, but all bases are not alkali. This is a very important question. Already you have discussed in previous class. So next, salt. This is the new term for today, salt. The compound of salt and halogen or acid radical is called salt. That means salt is equal, general formula of salt is equal metal plus halogen or metal plus radical. This radical is acid radical. That means what is acid radical? After eliminating hydrogen as hydrogen ion, the rest part of this acid is called acid radical. That means if this hydrogen atom is eliminated by H plus ion, so chloride ion is formed. So this is acid radical, which is come from acid. So metal plus halogen, metal plus acid radical, which is come from acid. This is the general formula of salt, such as sodium chlorine. This is metal and this is halogen. Again, sodium sulfate. This is metal and this is radical, which is come from H2SO4. So this is acid radical. So this is the general formula of salt and general formula of base and general formula of acid. Now next term, organic acid. Organic acid. The acid that contains COOH group is called organic acid. So, for example, COOH, acetic acid. Why acetic acid is called an organic acid? Because this acid have this part, that means carboxylic group, so it is an organic acid. Next, some important reactions. First rule, metallic carbonate plus dilute acid, salt plus CO2 plus H2O. This is the common formula of this reaction. That means whenever metallic carbonate reacts with dilute acid, then salt, carbon dioxide and H2O are formed. So this is the general formula of first rule. For example, if we see sodium carbonate plus H2SO4, so these two parts are fixed, that is CO2 and H2O. These two parts are fixed. So another part, salt. Which salt will be formed? Since sodium carbonate and H2SO4 reacts with each other, so already we know salt means metal plus halogen or metal plus radical. So between these two, only sodium metal is present. So this metal and this part from this radical from this acid, so this part from this one and this part from this one combined with each other and form salt, Na2SO4. This is the salt which is formed by this reaction, that means from the reaction between sodium carbonate and H2SO4. Next rule, metallic bicarbonate plus dilute acid. Metallic bicarbonate plus dilute acid, product will be same, that is salt plus CO2 plus H2O. Sodium bicarbonate, for example HCl, these two parts are fixed, so this salt will be metal from this part and acid radical from this part, that means NaCl, salt, CO2, H2O. So this is the second rule of this reaction. Now Third rule, active metal plus dilute acid. Active metal plus dilute acid, salt plus H2O, H2 gas. Salt plus H2 gas. For example, this hydrogen gas is common, and salt, that is the metal part is iron and acid radical part is SO4, that means FeSO4. This is the salt and this is the hydrogen gas. So this is the rule of active metal plus dilute acid and salt plus H2 will be formed. Fourth rule, metallic oxide plus dilute acid, salt plus H2O. For example, Na2O plus H2SO4. This H2O is common and salt will be Na2SO4. Similarly, rule number 5, metallic hydroxide plus dilute acid. Similarly, salt plus H2O. For example, NaOH plus HCl, salt, H2O, NaCl. So this is the rules of reaction from chapter 10. All these reactions, all these rules are very important. So be careful about this. I hope all of you have understood this. So be safe and study hard. Thank you.